The farmer and his goat. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a hardworking farmer named Rahmat Ali. He spent his days toiling in the fields, and whatever little he earned, he used to take care of his old mother and young children. Rahmat was poor, but he was kind-hearted and generous. His most precious possession was a goat. The goat was not just an animal for him, but a source of livelihood and comfort. It gave him milk which he sold in the market to earn money for his family's food. The farmer loved his goat dearly. He fed it fresh grass, gave it clean water, and never let it go hungry. The goat, too, was deeply attached to its master. Whenever Rahmat returned from the fields, the goat would recognize him from afar and bleat happily, running to follow him. Their bond was like that of two loyal friends. The test of hardship. One year, a terrible famine struck the village. The rain didn't come, the fields dried up, and even grass for the animals disappeared. Food became scarce, and people struggled to survive. Rahmat Ali was left with almost nothing, only his beloved goat. But even feeding the goat became difficult. One day, some villagers came to him and said, "Rahmat, why don't you sell your goat? You will get good money, and you can buy food for your family." Rahmat looked at his goat, quietly chewing on the little grass it could find. His heart sank. He thought to himself, "If I sell her, I will get some money for a few days. But if I lose her, I will lose my best friend and my only support." So, he refused. The emotional decision. Days passed, and the situation grew worse. His children cried from hunger, and his old mother was weak. Finally, Rahmat decided he had no choice but to take the goat to the city and sell it. He tied a rope around the goat's neck and started walking. The goat looked up at him with innocent eyes, as if asking, "Why are you taking me away?" His heart grew heavy, but he kept walking. On the way, a rich man saw the goat and said, "Farmer, sell me this goat. I will pay you double the price." Rahmat stopped. The money was tempting, but then he remembered how the goat had always been with him in every hardship. He placed his hand on the goat's head and thought, "Can I really sell my friend for money?" Tears filled his eyes. He untied the rope and said aloud, "No, I cannot sell my companion. I'd rather face hunger than betray her loyalty." The blessing. On his way back, Rahmat met an old wandering saint who asked him for some water. Rahmat had only a little water left, but he gave it to the saint. The saint drank and smiled. "My son, today you saved your friend from being sold. You chose loyalty over greed. May God bless you. This goat will never stop being a source of blessings for you." From that day onwards, Rahmat's goat began giving more milk than ever before. With it, Rahmat not only fed his family but also shared with the poor villagers. Soon, he was able to make butter and cheese, selling them in the market and earning enough for a good life. The villagers were astonished. The same goat they told him to sell had now become his greatest blessing. Moral of the story: patience in hardship always brings sweet results. True loyalty and friendship are more valuable than money. Trust in God never goes unrewarded.